Good morning. So I started off the morning with some hard-boiled eggs. I got two of them, mashed them up, and just mixed some light mayo and mustard, bacon bits, and then my folded flatbread, and just made a little deviled egg morning sandwich. And I even had some on the side that was left over, and it was super delicious. And then for snack, I had Cara oranges. My favorite, oh my goodness, thumbs up if you love Cara oranges. And then for lunch, I had some stir-fry rice noodles and I boiled those. While those were boiling, I just washed some zucchini. I had some leftover peppers, cilantro, and carrots. So now it was time to use my spiralizer for the zucchini, and I had some carrots in there that I tried to cut up. I couldn't find my grater, so I just cut them up in small pieces. But anyways, I got a little bit of olive oil, put it on a pan, and added my zucchini, squeezed some lemon juice on there. I didn't have a lime. I was super bummed, so lemon will do. And then I just had those cooking just until they were soft. And then I got some PB2. I had 2 tablespoons of it, added soy sauce, and then some more lemon. Like I said, I wish it was a lime, but it's okay, it tasted good. A little bit of minced garlic, and I mixed that together. Then I put all the veggies in a bowl, and then added the zucchini, and then on top of that, I put that peanut sauce all over. Super delicious, you guys. And then the rice noodles. This would be less points if you guys didn't use the rice noodles, a lot less, but I really wanted them. So mix that together, and this was a delicious lunch. I highly recommend you guys try this out. Oh, I even had my peppers in there. I forgot to say that. And then some sesame seeds to top it off. And ta-da! So delicious. And then I wanted a beet salad, so I got the recipe from skinnytaste.com. I'll put the link for it down below so you guys could see, because she used different onions, and I love these onions. If you guys watch my food haul, then you would know that by now. But yeah, that's pretty much the only thing I did differently was the onions. So, I mean, it's pretty basic here from what you could see. And like I said, I'll have the link for it down below. But it came out so pretty, and it tasted delicious. Very delicious. And now moving on to dinner, I wanted something light. So I had grilled tilapia and some sea salt and cracked pepper Brussels sprouts, which were delicious, by the way. And I'm obsessed with lemon, so I mean, there I am with a lot of lemon squeezed on my Brussels sprouts and fish. And then for dessert, I had some hot tea, because this helps with bloatedness. And then I couldn't decide between those two, so I had both. And I just added a graham cracker. I crumbled half of it on the bottom of the bowl, and then just right there you can see where the other half is. Added some semi-sweet chocolate chips and sugar-free syrup, and ta-da! I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.